Yeah, this is where we at. This is a Hoover 1, Hoover Alpha 1. Don't buy this. Sold my girl a lemon. I don't know if it's the motor that's bad or the battery or both, but it doesn't go as fast as it's supposed to. Won't do nothing on the hill, but I'm going from tube tires to solid tires. Got these off Amazon for about $35. Yeah, ain't worry about no tubes no more. But just to take off the back tire, that's not even all the screws, but it's crazy. So much. So many different screws. You gotta take this off just to get to the tire. Just to take the tire off. So, yeah, it's gonna be crazy, but we're gonna get to it. Mine came with solid tires. That's my baby there. About time for new tires on that too.